Trip Zero here, and it's time for another bedside review. This is the Fenix pd35, and my battery just came today. This is an 18650 battery, lithium ion, capacity of 2600 milliamp hours, and I put it in, and it's a flashlight. Works very well, very bright. It's got multiple settings for different brightness levels. But I wanted to talk a little bit about the battery itself. This is quite a big battery. Like, for example, here's a standard AA, and quite a bit of size difference as well as volume. And I wanted to compare it to, so here's my old flashlight, which is just this crappy, cheap LED flashlight. This is the battery source. There's 3 AAA batteries. Each AAA battery is about 700 milliamps. That's what it says on it anyway, giving a grand total of 2100. Now, for an ultralight situation, which my application is backpacking for this flashlight. That's why I got it for. Which is going to be the best solution? This cheap flashlight that isn't very bright, doesn't project very far, but actually turned out to be a little bit lighter than the Fenix with this battery. So here's a few numbers that might be interesting. So this Tenergy 18650 battery weighed 46.6 grams. Its capacity is 2600 milliamp hours. So the ratio of energy capacity with weight is about 55.7 milliamp hours per gram. 55 milliamp hours per gram. These AAAs, and I took them out to measure them, weigh in at 35 grams, and they give 2100 milliamp hours. So that gives a capacity per gram rating of 60 milliamp hours per gram. So you're getting a little bit more capacity, so 60 versus 55. So you get a little bit more energy density out of these things. Now, I haven't field tested these, so I'm not sure how much energy these actually do store, but they're advertised densities. I'm surprised, like, this is lithium ion technology. Lithium's supposed to be pretty light, and these are nickel metal hydride batteries, which, nickel theoretically is pretty heavy. Maybe my assumptions are wrong, but I'm surprised that these are lighter than this per capacity. Not sure what it means, but so for an ultralight application, this might actually be a better solution if you don't need any of the extra functionality that the Fenix provides. The extra modes, the extra depth to the light. Now there is one more advantage that the Fenix has with this battery, and that is this battery is rechargeable. And in my power setup, and I want to do a completely separate video just on how I'm managing power in my backpacking trips with my gear. The advantage, I think this has an advantage because of the well, I'll do that. I'll explain that in that video. It'll make more sense. For now, heavier, lighter, weaker, more powerful, more function. That's it. So, hope that was helpful, and Trip Zero out. Peace.